Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm just gonna be filming something simple. I don't got much to film. I'm just gonna be washing the truck. Well, probably all three, but I'm probably not gonna film all three. They're pretty dirty. I haven't washed them in a while. You can kind of see like the windshield. It's pretty bad. This one too. This one here. It's like stuck to the paint. I got a new power washer here like a couple of months ago. It's been pretty good. That's the part number there. It's a Simpson brand, 3300 psi. Been working pretty good. Got the soap cannon. I'm gonna fill it up with soap. I got my soap over here, down there. It's already dropping some. Oh. It's pretty thick soap. Oh yeah, also comment down below if you want me to make a video of installing some of the parts. I was thinking about so this is all the twin turbo parts, well besides this two right here. Got fuel pump, fuel regulator, wastegate, 2 blow-off valves, the 2 turbos, intercooler, headers, piping, a bunch of little parts of fuel injectors, map sensor, all that stuff. I was thinking about installing some of the parts before like fully installing everything, just to get like some things out of the way, kind of like the intercooler, maybe the fuel pump as well, the fuel regulator. I can install it way before that, and then once I'm done getting all those little things out of the way, I can fully go all the way and put the headers on and the turbos and all that. So comment down below, let me know. And I also got this cam. A buddy of mine, I cammed his TBSS. He gave me the cam for free. So this is the cam, and this is the valve springs out of a stock TBSS. So I'm gonna be throwing this cam in my wife's truck. So comment down below if you want me to make a video of that.
Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you were meant for me. I'm madly in love with you. Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you were. I'm madly in love with you. Baby, one for me. Baby, you were meant for me. I'm madly in love with you.
This one's done. Got the paint all smooth and everything. Windshield's clean. Whole truck looking a lot better. I never do anything to the wheels on this one because, I mean, there ain't nothing to clean on that. You can kind of see the reflection on there now. And I just realized that I'm probably going to get the front end wet again when I wash this one, because I'm going to wash it right there. Or I'm just going to have to like aim that way the whole time. We'll see how it goes. If not, I'll dry it again. This one's done. Now let's get this one done. Alright, this one's clean now. Got the wheels looking decent. I didn't go too crazy on them, but looks a lot better. You can see no more build up on top of it. Look at that hail damage. We got a hailstorm like a couple months ago, like in the middle of the night. Caught us off guard, as you can tell. Well, I don't know if you can tell, but there's a few. Not too bad, but now I gotta clean this one. But I'm gonna have to get this one out of the way and then move this one a little this way. Look how bad this is. Look at that. Ew. So, nah, get this one clean. But I think I'm gonna do it a little different. Let's try this. There. Whoa. What the heck? That didn't work all the way. Let me try it again. There you go. That's a lot better. It's all done. I mean, I didn't dry it. I mean, I'm not worried about this one. It's all scratched up either way. You can see the front end. It's all beat up. Side mirrors. All ugly and everything. But I just dried up the windows. That's all I care about. But it's done. All three. This one's still dry. I still got a lot of work to do on that one. Comment down below what you guys want to see me do next to this. I mean, obviously I still got a lot of sanding to do. There's a lot of holes I gotta patch. There's a big one over there. And there's a lot of things I gotta do. It's gonna get airbags. I don't want to mess with the suspension stuff yet, cause I still haven't even bought anything for it. And by the way, her name's Tina, cause Tina Patina. Comment down below what you guys want to see me do next to it. Also, comment down below if you guys do want to see me install some of the parts. I got the intercooler. I do want to install this one for sure before installing all that. But yeah guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I know it was something boring. I don't like making videos like this of something that's like not interesting or something big, because it's just a boring video. So, but I just want to make a video, kind of upload something in a while. That's gonna be it for today's video. Comment down below what you guys want to see, any suggestions or anything. So I'll see you guys in the next video.